You may have encountered this problem on some older model Hondas, Civics, Accords, even Acuras probably do it. And this is an S2000, a 2001 S2000. And you see my brake lights are on and they're stuck on. And I was wondering why. So anyways, I'll show you. This is kind of a common, easy to fix problem too. So we'll show you what's going on. And if you come into the driver's side here, and you got a light on it, and you look at the brake pedal, you'll find there's a little plastic piece that goes onto the dimple. I'll show you a closer up shot here. This one's fallen out, and but you can see where the hole's at, and it hits the little pressure switch here for the I can see it for the stoplight. The clutch has the same thing, and you can see the there's a clutch thing. There it is. The clutch has the same thing. You see that one's in there. I think I need to replace that one too. It looks like it's about ready to go, but it's a little better off. Don't know what happens when the clutch one goes. But yeah, I'll order another one of those and replace it also. So if you got a clutch, you might check them both. But most people don't. They've got automatic transmissions. So anyways, it's a pretty easy fix. Where's the pedal? There it is. There's the little hole where it goes in. And I'll show you the part. And there's the part number. You can screenshot it or whatever. And as you see, it's a genuine Honda part. Because I got it from a genuine Honda dealer. And the cost was $5. So I'll pull the part out and show it to you. That's what it is. $5 for that, huh? Oh well, I guess they got you. I looked online. The cheapest I could find it was about $3, I think. So I'll probably buy the next one I got to get online. Well, it's not really very difficult to install. It is a two-handed operation, so I couldn't really film doing it. But basically, what you do is you push the brake pedal in. You got to get in there with with two hands and fit the thing in between the switch and get the little dot, the little pointy thing into the hole. And then you basically just, once you get it positioned, you just let go of the brake pedal and it pops right in. So it's really easy to do. There's no tools. It's a simple fix. And problem solved. So hope this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.